Here at Sheetload of Templates, we love giving students choice in their activities. In fact, we have full lines of activities that are student choice related. But we like to take it one step further and actually encourage you to give students a choice in the activity itself. And it's super simple. So let's say you created this activity for your students and you wanted to provide them an opportunity to have student choice in the activity that they actually choose. So the activity itself has some student choice involved because they're choosing one of the options in this would you rather style activity. But let's say that you actually want them to be able to choose what activity they're selecting. So what you would need to do is first figure out, okay, well, how many questions are in this activity? For this particular activity, there are 12 questions. So you'll hop over inside the membership and just type in 12 questions into your search bar, and then all the activities with 12 questions will pop up for you. And what you'll do is scroll through and find whichever activity that you want. There might be multiple activities you want to add to this activity or that list. And what we're going to do is just show you how to do one, and then you can implement as many as you want. So let's say you decided to select the stop motion movie that was 12 questions, and you want to use this activity and you want students to be able to choose from the other activity. So what you'll do is come down to this arrow and click on copy to existing spreadsheet. Find that spreadsheet that you're going to copy it to. For this one, it's our student choice sample. Click insert and it will copy the sheet. If you don't already have the sheet open, you can click on open spreadsheet. If not, you can just click OK. And since we had the spreadsheet open already, here it is. What you'll do next is add in any additional games and activities that you want. So if you want students to have 3 different choices, then you would add 3 different activities. If you want 4, add 4. You get the idea. But the next thing you'll do is just copy and paste your questions. So let's go ahead and click and drag through and then hold Control or Command C. Come on over to your other activity and then click on the first answer cell, or excuse me, the first question cell, hit Control Shift V. The reason we're holding down Shift with that is that it won't copy over the formatting or any conditional formatting or anything like that. Head back over to the activity, find your answer key that you updated, select and highlight that, Control C or Command C, hop on over to the other activity, locate your answer key and hit Control or Command and then Shift V. Now, in the matter of seconds, you have 2 different activities that students can choose from that have completely different outcomes. This one, the image appears and it goes through a stop motion movie. And then in the other activity, students have this would you rather style game that they're playing. We love giving students choice inside the activities, but why not also give students the choice of which activity they are choosing? If you're inside the Sheetload of Templates membership, this is super easy because we have over 100 different activities to choose from. It's not going to be a big deal if you use multiple activities for one topic because there's plenty of other activities to choose from, especially because we're adding new templates every single month. If you're not inside the Sheetload of Templates membership, we'd love for you to join. You get access to over 100 activities and everything is fully customizable to meet the needs of you and your students. We can't wait to see the amazing sheet you create with our templates inside the Sheetload of Templates membership.